Hi, Mighty Itsy Bitsies! It's Itsy Bitsie Time! Are you ready to learn about construction vehicles? Yeah? Well, let's learn about the dump truck, the excavator, the loader, the bulldozer, and the roller. Do you see the three big dump trucks? Yep, there they are. 1, 2, and 3. I also see a really big excavator. Do you see it? There it is. An excavator is a big machine that can dig and move dirt and rocks. It scoops and dumps. It has a long arm called a boom that can reach out to where it needs to put the bucket. The bucket is at the end of the boom. The operator or driver of the excavator controls the boom and the bucket and moves them to the correct place. When ready, the operator uses the bucket to scoop up the dirt and rocks and move them to a different spot. Whoa, that's a lot of dirt that bucket is scooping. Scoop. This excavator is picking up a large piece of concrete. Boom! And now it's in much smaller pieces and is easier to clean up. Some excavators have wheels and tires. Some have 4 wheels. Others have 6. That's 2 wheels together in each spot. Those are for the really big and heavy construction vehicles. Other excavators have tracks. They're called tracked excavators. These are often bigger and heavier than wheeled excavators. They go over bumpy or uneven ground. Tracked excavators are better for going over muddy or soft ground, but wheeled excavators can move around much more easy because they're lighter. This tracked excavator is scooping and dumping dirt into a big pile. But this excavator is scooping and dumping dirt into something else. What is it? That's right, it's a dump truck. A dump truck is a big vehicle. It's a really good helper also. It's used to transport large amounts of things like dirt, rocks, sand, or gravel. When the dump truck needs to be loaded, it will go to a place like a construction site or a mining quarry. Then, an excavator or maybe a front loader will load the dirt into the back of the dump truck. Dump! Wow, that dump truck can carry a lot of things. Now the dump truck is full, so the operator will drive the dump truck to another location. There, the dump truck will lift up its bed and dump out all the things it was carrying. Then it will be empty and ready to help at another location. Wow, dump trucks really are helpful. The operator of the dump truck sits in the cabin. Inside the cabin are controls for the hydraulics. The hydraulics push the dump truck bed up, up, up. Once the dump truck bed is high enough, the weight of everything that was inside pushes on the back and the tailgate opens. Out dumps everything that was inside. Once the dump truck is empty, the dump truck is ready for another job. This truck looks like a dump truck, but it's called a haul truck. Now, haul trucks can be different sizes, but they're usually very big and very heavy. The tires of a haul truck, they can be taller than an adult and weigh more than a small car. Do you see the empty haul truck? Yeah, it's driving over to the really big electric rope shovel. The electric rope shovel is working to scoop up all the sand from the quarry. The shovel will take its load and dump it into the back bed of the dump truck. Once it's full, the operator will drive the dump truck to its new location. At the new location, the dump truck operator will use the controls to raise the hydraulics and lift the bed of the dump truck until all the contents spill out. Oh, look, that's a new piece of construction equipment. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a bulldozer. The bulldozer has a big blade in the front. The operator can use the hydraulic cylinders to raise the blade up, lower the blade down, tilt it forward or back. The bulldozer and the loader, they look really similar. The main difference is that the bulldozer has a blade in front and the loader has a bucket. Let's learn more about the bulldozer. When the bulldozer needs to be used, the operator climbs into the cab and starts the engine. The operator can then use the controls in the cab to move the bulldozer and operate the blade. Bulldozers are often used to clear land, level ground, and remove debris. They can also be used to push soil and other materials out of the way, or to create paths for other machines to follow. Wow, bulldozers are really helpful. Do you know what kind of construction equipment this one is? That's right, it's a loader. This loader has wheels, so it's a wheeled loader. Loaders have large buckets at the front that can be used to scoop up rocks, dirts, and other debris. Did you know that loaders are usually smaller than bulldozers? This means they can move around the construction site much more easily than bulldozers. Their large bucket can scoop up sand, rocks, dirt, and bring it over to a different pile or place it inside a dump truck or another storage container. Here is another construction vehicle. What is it? That's right, it's a roller. Rollers are used to make surfaces compact or hard, such as roads, highways, and even building foundations. A roller has one or more metal cylinders. These cylinders are called drums. They can be smooth or they can be padded, and they are used to apply pressure to a surface, and that helps make the surface compact. This is our last construction vehicle. It's called a crane truck. A crane truck is a special type of truck. It has a tall and long arm with a hook or a claw at the end. The crane can move up, down, and all around. It makes it very useful for picking up heavy things and moving them to another spot. If there's a heavy object that needs to be lifted up high in the air, the crane truck can help, like a big air conditioner or the roof of the building. The crane truck can use the crane to pick it up and move it where it needs to go. Wow, we learned about so many construction vehicles today. We learned about the roller, the excavator, the bulldozer, the loader, the dump truck, and the crane truck. Oh, that was fun! Thanks for watching Itsy Bitsie Time. Hey adults, want more videos or activity resources for your Mighty Itsy Bitsie? Just search for Itsy Bitsie Time and this video's code. See you next time!